Can you just make sure it doesn't fall? It's recording.
Make sure, yep. Is it on now? So I guess they're walking in together as the ring and the ring.
Oh, these are the,
The rings are inside, yeah.
Okay. I had no idea. Okay, Margo, you're gonna walk these up, okay?
I no more vlog for her to draw. Yeah, I think she has to have this one. Okay. Just wipe it a little. Check it out. Yeah. Nalipuntahan acting. Nakalimutan kami.
Where did you park?
Just right on the side street.
Our neighbors always.
Really?
Yeah, and there's. But if they're families with somebody in a apartment.
Keep the ring inside.
So we don't have to say anything because we understand.
So I think we're gonna walk together?
They're the only ones, and then they come back.
Really?
What do you think?
So I said, okay, next time maybe we should tell to our
No?
friends.
Okay, so you walk by
to
yourself.
never park.
Yeah.
Let's fix your hair a little.
I want to play the game.
Traffic. When you drive, give me a second.
It is okay.
It was pretty bad. Yeah. It took us a time.
What's your name?
So, yeah.
I have a new name.
What is your new name?
How you doing? Josh.
I don't know. It's called
Where's your shoes?
What is it?
I think you can wear it.
Oh, you want one?
Yeah. You're the one that don't
yeah.
have the.
What's the song? How cute you guys are. The boys are ready. Here's the song. For the I'll give you 2 more minutes. This is 1:15 already.
So I'm gonna.
Yes, yes. You can or you don't have to. You can or you don't have to. You can just walk there. So you're ready? I did do some music. Is it okay if they walk in the same music? Just for the front. Yeah, the boys can stand.
Just
Yeah,
stand.
right now
Just
it's
play it,
stand.
and then we can make it. What time is it? Ready, one.
The boys come out.
Kuya. Let me That's fine, I'll go with them.
Okay.
You wanna go with them?
Nag-video lang sa Sao, did you do video live?
Yeah.
Ay, wag mo talaga wait.
Pwede ba mag-wipe? Mamaya ka na. Pwede ba mag-wipe siya kayo? Si Katuloy mo namin. Hindi pa kayong dalawa.
Kailangan
Please, mag-wipe ka na doon sa tabi na dalawa. Ikaw lang may babae.
So everybody be ready for the bride.
Oh, right na. Legit pa.
Kulang. Sige na, tama na.
O, sige na.
Kung iyan ang video, ay pa nakakuha.
Ay, dapat nakakat.
Tama na. Kasi ready siya. Yes, yes.
Music.
Ang belo niya, itakip yan. I-stop na ito ang video. To, stop ang video. Yeah, kasi siya kanina.
You take the rings.
Okay. Awesome.
Good afternoon and thank you for joining us here today. This couple, Kiera Sol Aragones and Catherine Alvarez Trigo, has come here today to be joined in marriage, which is the voluntary union of two persons to the exclusion of all others. If any person can show just cause why they may not be joined together, let them speak now or forever hold their peace.
Nobody.
Should be.
Saul, repeat after me, please. I do solemnly declare
I do solemnly declare
that I do not know
that I do not know
of any lawful reason
of any lawful reason
why I may not be joined
why I may not be joined
in matrimony to Catherine.
in matrimony to Catherine.
Trey, repeat after me, please. I do solemnly declare
I do solemnly declare
that I do not know
that I do not know
of any lawful reason
of any lawful reason
why I may not be joined
why I may not be joined
in matrimony to Saul.
in matrimony to
Marriage is not a single event, but rather a developing process, which is not to be undertaken recklessly or irresponsibly, but rather maturely and honestly. Marriage is the faithful union between two persons, the result of which is the formation of a family unit, whose members shall help, support, and enjoy each other in good times or in bad times. It is this relationship these two persons wish to have celebrated today. Saul, repeat after me, please. I call upon these persons here
I call upon these persons here
to witness that I, Saul,
to witness that I, Saul,
do take you, Catherine,
do take you, Catherine,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wife.
Trey, repeat after me, please. I call upon these persons here
I call upon these persons here
to witness that I, Catherine,
to witness that I, Catherine,
do take you, Saul,
do take you, Saul,
to be my lawful wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
Saul, have you a ring?
It's in him.
Oh, we should.
Yeah,
Look at that,
give it
Zoe,
to him.
prepared for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. This ring is a symbol of your marriage and a symbol of your love and of your life together. Please place it on the third finger of Trey's left hand, and while holding it, repeat after me. With this ring,
This ring,
I be wed.
I do.
I shall love,
I shall love,
honor, and cherish thee,
honor, and cherish thee.
and this ring shall be
And this ring shall be
the symbol of my love.
the symbol of my life.
Trey, have you one?
Ring.
Thank you. This ring is a symbol of your marriage and a symbol of your love and of your life together. Please place it on the third finger of Saul's left hand, and while holding it there, repeat after me. With this ring,
With this ring,
I be wed.
I do wed,
I shall love,
shall love,
honor, and cherish thee,
honor, and cherish thee,
and this ring shall be
and this ring shall be
the symbol of my love.
the symbol of my love.
You may now place the ring on Saul's finger. I, Elise Fletcher, by virtue of the powers vested in me by the Marriage Act, do hereby pronounce you, Pierre, Saul, and Catherine, to be husband and wife. Saul and Trey, may you enjoy length of days, fulfillment of hopes, and peace and contentment of mind, as you day by day live and fulfill the terms of this covenant you have made with one another. Saul, you may kiss your bride.
One more.
Congratulations.
One more.
One more kiss.
One more.
One more. One more.
1, 2, and
Ooh.
Magpa-picture muna na.
Perfect. So,
Magpapirma.
just a little bit of signing to do, and then I'll let you guys take all the photos that you would like. But first, I'll get you guys
Sabi mo yun na wala. May orasyon pa yung istorya. Kung sadyan sa ako, tapos na. Lakatara mo. Ito mo, wish na.
Yeah, usod mo.
Paano ng kandulo? Ha?
Lagay na sa gilid. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Lahat.
I've got it right here, so I'm gonna get you to sign in that empty box right there, okay? And now it's your turn. One more spot on the license here. Perfect. Can you over here with your pen? Okay.
He's not sharing.
That is all right. So next, I need to get my witnesses. So I had,
Witnesses.
yes,
Wang and Levin.
11?
Witnesses. Yes. Wang.
perfect. So, I don't know if it's easier. Did you guys want to remain standing, or are we able to have our witnesses stand?
I want them in the picture.
Okay, perfect. So I'll get out of your way. How about you guys do picture first?
They can sign. I just want to do it
Yeah?
in the picture.
Okay.
So they sign.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So, Luella, I'm not sure. Okay, so I need you to sign under her signature right there.
There you go.
I'm gonna get you to sign right here. Yeah.
There's the witness, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then one more spot. You're gonna sign in the book right there.
Oh my God, this is it. Official.
That would be great.
I know this is it. Official.
Diba?
Next, huwag ka magpirma para hindi ma-officially.
So wrong spelling.
Yung spelling wrong.
Wrong spelling wrong. Makita na sa kung ano yun.
Perfect. 11. It's gonna be your turn now. So we'll start in the book here. So sign
You're blocking the one right.
Oh, sorry.
You're taking over the show here.
Ay, tuwag lang. Wala nga guro. Witness.
Alex.
Parang Chinese siya eh.
Okay. And then you're gonna sign right there. And then one more spot. You're gonna sign right there.
It's more candid.
It has to be the same signature.
I know. Perfect. And then it's gonna be my turn, and then everything's all set. Okay.
I don't think they realize. I don't think they realize.
block it? Sorry.
It fell.
It fell? Oh, jeez. It's not here. Oh, there you go.
Is that the live thingy?
Yeah, it is. Sorry, guys. It fell.
I'll hold it, babe.
Sure.
Have my contact details.
Hello, JB.
Okay? Have a happy new year. And I wish you lifetime happiness.
Oh, take a photo with the the official.
Sa mga bata, tapos
Oo.
kunin na lang si Ron.
JB said kiss daw. Eh. Later. Oh, later. Pakiss sa bride.
Ay, you have to get the table. Yeah.
Si JB sabi niya, pakiss daw sa bride.
Ah, sa bride.
Ayan na, JB ha, naan na.
Ready, 1, 2,
Make you smile whenever you're sad. Aww. Go old with you. Aww.
Move this hand. Move this mabigat. Try to move that side.
Guwapa siya, JB, no?
You got it.
He can't wait.
Well, it's still morning.
I know, it's still morning. Wait till the nighttime.
You have the rest of your lives,
I
guys.
know. Come on, now is the moment.
Oh, sige.
Dyan, sandyan. Kasi maganda.
Ayo, well, can I take a photo with you and some of the close family? Val, pakuha ako. Ay,
Si Bala pa kunin mo.
oo, si Val.
With you?
Joshua, can you come over?
Paki sa bride, ha ha ha.
Dito ako kasali kay sa ulo. Next, dito ka kay sa ulo. You got a follower. Next, kay sa ulo.
Hello, man.
Pretty.
Ready, guys? Smile. 1, 2, and one more. Ready? 1, 2, smile. Alright. Uy, tagilid din ang tagilid na yung paglantaw. One more, please.
Happy couple.
Ready? 1, 2, and alright, thank you. Thank you.
Ayaw dito sa akin.
Alex, can you come here?
Sa mga bata. Alex,
And you can
you go there. Yeah. You go there with your mom and your dad, okay?
Yes, I'm so tall.
Ay, yung coat niya ng white, saan na? Sandali, saan? Saan mo nilagay niya kay mami niya? At si Judge, yung Judge pa sa family, isa na lang. Can we have 2 more?
Of course.
Yeah, one with them, the family with the bride, and then, yeah, with us.
Go for the ride.
Argo, Silohan,
Yeah, she's really beautiful. Oh my
Yeah, that's
God.
Chinese. Tapos ilaw lang. Ready? 1, 2, and smile.
Thank you. One more.
One more. 1, 2, smile.
Asadya na to, sino ma-picture sa aton, kay kita na. Dali
Bro, can you hold it please?
Isa.
Thanks, bro.
Dali na din kaya ka extra.
Kasi sa unknown. Unknown sa unknown.
Wala, hindi ako marunong. Hindi na ako ano ba? Manual ba? Oh my god, I hope it's okay.
Couple more, you're gonna be too many, babe.
Just click and click, ha?
Keep working.
Four of you.
Okay.
Okay, ha. Hi, girlfriend.
One more.
Ano sa siya?
Ako.
I don't know how to do it, but
Hi, thank you.
Hi.
Aw.
Wait, si Lutis Teng. Ito, bro.
sino?
Si Lutis ba?
Ay, mamaya already 1, 2, 3.
Ah, ter.
Oh, susunod.
Pabol. Lisoy.
Si Miss Koy talaga mo. Already.
Compress a little bit, please.
Wow, that's it.
Side.
Already. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
One more. Smile. Alright.
Correct! Lahat ng boys, tapos lahat ng girls. Ayoko! Lahat ng boys!
Pwede na wala.
Pag-alis na niya.
Ay, magalas yan.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure to meet everybody.
Thank you. Hey.
Thank you!
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Alex here.
Oh. Ananay mo ba?
Lloyd!
Kaya nga, ano?
Ang banat
Ang iyang ako, tatulid ko sa kwan. Adi si Saul pa. Wow.
All boys pa, all boys.
All girls first. Wala si Lutis kanina. Sorry. Sige na. Ano ba? Ah, la, 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 la. Malamig crying tears. I don't know. Now on the live video.
All girls
JB?
ka, all girls.
No, it's not JB.
Margo, come here, all girls.
Ikaw din! You!
Yeah, you go. Here, give me my earphone. Who's that? Compress, please.
Compress ba?
A little bit. Baby, move a little bit. Alright, ready? 1, 2, and smile. One more. 1, 2, smile.
Dito ako, saan ako titingin?
One,
I'll just taking videos,
and 3.
Pwede ito doon, waki?
Nice. Wacky picture. 1, 2, and 3. Go.
Boys.
Boys naman.
Boys. Dito talo ang boys dahil ang mga girls di marunong mag-camera.
Babe, you hold the phone, please.
Boys.
Sabi nga, click lang ng Nice swing.
Alis, si Saul dyan.
Lalaki muna.
Ating, alis ka dyan, si Saul dyan muna.
Ating!
Yan, ating, yan ang magkaibigan, di ba?
For the boys yan, ating. For the boys.
All girls.
Yeah, and then together, and then they will have together. Uy, dapat pala kanina tinawag ka na si Saul para yung ano.
Stay close. 1, 2, 3.
Ang gagwapo nila. Ay!
Stay close, stay close.
Panindigan kong gwapo, wala may gwapo.
1, 2, 3.
Siyempre po.
Okay.
Ba't ang ganda mo?
Okay, silly. 1, 2, 3, silly.
Waki shot!
You missed it. You missed it. You were not there, Alex.
Oh, Catherine, balik ka muna doon. Tapos palisin namin yung mga lalaki. Batira si Saul. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, kasi lahat ng lalaki, dyan, tsaka yung bride, tsaka puro lalaki.
Boys and the couple?
Yeah, boys and the couple. Maupo lang kaya sila para nakatayo yung lalaki. No.
Kasama na lang siya.
Kasama na kayo, maupo kayo. Kayo mga lalaki, upo kayo.
Mark, can you move the chair forward so that
Then you guys are the back.
Yes, perfect.
so you fit into
So, different na.
Ay, ito si Jessa.
Si Rotin.
Perfect ka. Uy, mga photographer.
Kasi to eh.
See?
That's why.
Oh.
1.
put it in the
Ba't sinong maupo dyan?
baby.
Eric, ako maupo dyan sa tabi ni ano? Iba na lang.
But, oh, there we go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3.
Ang ganda. Oh my God.
So nice, so nice.
Yeah, I know.
Bakit ang girls, mamaya naman ang girls.
Sandali lang nga, parang talo ako na.
Okay. Ice.
I hope so, again.
That's right.
The photography have no eyes.
Are they looking? Okay, good.
Sandali lang ah. Isa pa?
Okay, wait. No. Stay.
Okay.
You two kiss.
Oh, okay.
And then you look
You
at
guys
the right.
Yeah, you look
Yeah,
all of you,
kiss,
you
all
look.
of you, they kiss and then everybody look
Yes,
at the right.
looking.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
They continue kissing. You guys look at us. You don't know what happened.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
That is cute.
Oh, you're new. You peeked. You're looking at
kanina.
you.
Oh, girls.
Sila duha mo man na.
Pretty girls.
Girls naman ang te.
Kaya naman ah.
Ikaw naman, babe.
Wala tayo sa ano.
I-send lahat ang picture na.
Nakay ano to? Kay sa
Bal? Bal?
Kim, pwede mo maayatan. Thank you.
Ano beauty tat?
Oh, sige, kumilay ng balik.
Ano maging pagkuhan niya? Listen. Ano yata? Okay, David. I'll take picture first. 1, 2, 3, smile. You know the difference of the
Bakit
picture?
walang kiss?
If it's like a boy taking a picture or a girl, okay?
Walang kiss?
Oh, you kissed now?
Ready? Not yet, wait. Excited.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Go.
1, 2, and smile. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, kiss.
Here, can kiss.
1, 2, smile. Smile. Oh
Send
my
them
god.
kisses.
Okay. Alright. One more. Kissing with the girls not looking.
Girls. Okay, not looking. We're
Not
looking
looking.
gross.
Spice
1,
Wars.
2, and...
Ay, pero dapat lahat na tayo.
Did you get that?
Yeah, that... It's caught on camera.
Tripod kailangan. Ang tripod kailangan ah.
Magano tayo yung boys versus girls. Parang we try to hila. So,
Yes, yan, you're right. Okay. Dapat may ano dyan, tripod na talaga.
Kung di ta magkasya ko tanan tada. Like, you know.
Okay na. Oh my.
si husband ko na naman mag-hold.
Sacrifice.
Grabe ka, te.
Okay lang. Hindi naman siya. Family siya.
Pinagkakaisa ni.
Hindi, okay lang naman. Sasawa ko. O, sige na.
Sige na, dali.
Boys and
Boys, doon kayo.
Joshua, you're gonna take
Doon
the
kami maraming lalaki. Dito tayo siguro.
No, I got it.
Ako na naghila ka.
Huwag mo bigay.
Let them tripod.
Boys, all boys on the other side. And then, ano.
Wait, I'll set it in
Josh,
automatic.
can you take a photo?
Pahanapin mo muna ang right angle tapos you leave Josh there. Dumi ka ni mo, move the chair back.
Ay,
You have to move the chair back. Kasi magdrama-drama pa.
i-moments na natin to ha. Hindi na natin ito mabalikan eh.
No, akin na yung girl. And then you guys will take the men.
You guys try to reach for each other.
Yeah. You try like, and then drama ba nga? Like, kunyari. Gusto niyo mo sa iyakin, but we're trying to pull you, you know? Sige.
Wing.
Wing.
Di ba ayaw mo bigyan si Tre, di ba?
Ayaw.
Sabihin mo na ngayon. Iyak ka pa, di ba? Ngayon na.
Ayun na.
Kahit nakapirma na, bawiin pa rin.
No, si Eric. Eric, may pag-asa pa. Ayan, Josh.
I'll take your
Josh,
picture.
let's take picture.
There's not enough
You
boys.
can see this one.
Yeah, and then
Yes.
where do I
So,
go?
This one.
Okay.
Dito, dito.
Di ba dito, sa gitna.
Pilain ko na.
Pwede ba naka...
Hindi ako makita. Ganyan.
Getting ready
Ito
for
talaga, Katerina, tignan mo ha.
Favorite ko to.
Kailangan na kayo namawa. Getting ready for the fight.
Sa sana dito, sa baba, sa baba ha.
Ay, gusto ko sa paa. Uy, nahila yung hair mo.
Come on, you need to act like you're
This is not acting. Guys, ang hair ko. Ang hair ng bride. Oh my God, legit cute. Sila ang cute ako.
Ay, ang ganda ng kay Katerina kasi damit ng tumira talaga. Tayo na nalo, tayo na nalo.
Ang time pa niya natin.
O, dapat may nagpinta ng tayo na ano, may sabon, para yun ang may gamit.
Ang ganda.
Ay, ganda pala. Paano lang, paa. Pwede ba gawin natin ng tatlo lang dyan, tatlo magaganda dyan, ang mga tanda, excuse na, mga young ones.
It's so hard to smile and at the same time.
I know you were talking. I got the before fight photo and after fight photo. Before fight.
I just like.
Yeah, I know. It started so gentle too. Look at that.
Oh,
It started so
Eric.
gentle.
And then make a photo of her na
Oh yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung na-take ko kanina eh.
Wala yata. Nakababa. Naka-ano lang yung vein niya.
Ay, nag-ano kami kanina din.
Pero
ano,
yung
ano lang.
dapat
Hindi
nakagano
nag-ano talaga.
We're gonna take a photo of you.
Now it's back again here. Just facing with each other. You get to kiss again. Excuse me, sir, ma'am. Thank you.
You may kiss the veil.
The veil pala. Yeah. Ready, 1, 2, and... Okay, can you be more sweeter, please? Okay. Ready, 1, 2. Okay, a bit more, please.
A bit more?
With no kissing, please.
We know you want it. No kissing, no kissing.
Wala yan ang gusto nila eh. Kiss lang ang kiss eh.
Or and then later you look at the camera trick and
Kind
then
of walkie, please. Kind of walkie, please.
yeah, I like that one. You look at the camera trick and then Saul you look at her. There.
Or anything cocktail pala.
Yeah.
Opening the, I mean like
Like that.
slowly, please. Slowly. No.
Half.
Halfway.
Pretend.
Pretend.
Ready, 1, 2.
Ito eh.
Stop. 1, 2. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, and kiss. There you go.
He can't stop.
Thank you po.
Baby, alright.
Dali,
Kiss.
dali.
1, 2.
Ato, sige, dalawa sila.
Uy, yung flower
Can you-
girl.
Yes, again, stay.
The flower
Oh yeah, the flower
girl.
and flower. Yeah, Alex. Come in front of them. That's right.
Hindi yan, hindi yan putot siya.
You can sit down na and then they can sit beside you or stand up.
Hindi yan putot. Ano na lang.
One stand and then one sit, I guess.
Okay? No, stand
Okay,
down.
sit standing here.
Oh, like that. That's a good photo. He's already a dad.
Aww. Thank you, Uncle. Uncle Jude. Uncle.
Cool. Ang cool.
Uncle.
Uy, ikaw na guriyahang country. Pero yung buhok. Buhok ni Alex.
Ano? Caesar?
Caesar?
Hairstyle si mother. Bilis na natin mo.
Margot, can you stand straight, please?
Okay. Baby girl. Maybe they say in front of you guys.
Ilang anak mo? Ilang gusto niyo?
There we go. Yeah.
Don't move,
Yeah.
honey. Don't move, please. Cheese. Margot, can you please smile?
Say cheese, Margot. Mozzarella cheese.
Oh my God, Alex, you're so handsome. Alex, look at the camera.
1, 2, 3. Margo, face the camera, please. Ready, 1, 2. Margo. Right here. One more. 1, 2. Okay. But you sit.
One more when you sit down.
Yes.
I'm out of the picture.
You know what that means, Trey? He really wants kids.
Very soon.
We can't see you, Pierre. You put her right in front of you.
Yeah, I think Margot.
Yeah, we can't see you.
Dato sit down.
Yeah.
This side leg.
Ready?
There you go.
See?
Much better.
Sweet naman.
Oh my God. I love it. Can you take a photo, man? Look at the camera.
Malamig pero may langgam.
Also, ready, 1, 2. Margo's face, look at it. You don't really want it to, eh? She's like, where's the food?
She beat it for me last time.
Gawa lang kami ng questions.
Yeah.
And then I told all my friends that I did it.
Okay,
Bro.
guys, sit.
No problem.
I'm getting a moment to worry.
Two or one, but they can't.
Oh, picture pala.
Ay, sandali.
May picture pa sana ako sa kanila. Yeah, you can go.
Where's Asin?
Oh, did we have picture?
No, silang dalawa. Oh,
Already have.
With the judge. No,
Yeah, no, but just you.
Ang laswan ng aking skirt once.
no, I like it.
Ready, 1, 2, and smile. Alright,
It's supposed to show off.
there you go.
Si Josh,
My family
Okay.
is very
join with them.
Sorry.
Pinsan mo dito isa, oh, Diyos ko. Yeah, please.
Make a
Hindi
photo
naman
of
yung tito
them.
mo.
Ready, ulitin.
Look all the pictures we have.
Ayusin pa, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank you.
One more, 1,
You look
2.
beautiful today.
Alright. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Like this every day. I will work out like
Cousin,
this.
sister.
Oh,
Cousin.
I like it.
thank you. I like you too.
Wait lang. Ang legs ko, day.
No, I love it.
Puti.
In fairness.
Ready, 1, 2, swap.
What's that? What do you got there?
Get a
Nintendo?
little more closer, sir.
Wow, lucky.
There you
I
go.
got the color.
Okay,
Oh, really? Hey, cool.
we're wearing the same pants.
Wow.
Yeah, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
That's what the photographer
Must
noticed.
have been
In the camera. Oh, we're wearing the same pants.
Can you change?
Now I can all take
Change
a shower.
position.
See how you can get
Change
it
places.
Water.
Oh,
What the?
I think your brother has all the answers.
There we go, yeah. There we go, yeah.
More space. Margot, did you...
Great angle, te.
Oh, I know.
Alright, ready, 1, 2,
this?
swap.
Oh my, look at you go.
One more.
Good job, buddy.
1, 2, and... Alright.
Kami muna, nakatayo kami, nakaupo sila. Tayo, direct na family.
Okay na?
Oh my God, love it.
No, this looks
When can you take a picture, Daddy? Na nakatayo kami lahat.
We have the Nintendo Wii.
Dali na,
Yeah, it's old school, right? You ever had a Wii?
I've never had a Wii.
No. So you got the Switch.
Well, let's go to Odyssey.
Live.
Ready?
sana si Kim.
Aww.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God, nalinda na naman.
Sorry.
Where's the pen?
Wala na, ano?
Where's the Kiss.
Take a kiss to Kaboy.
This one, and that one too. That one's too.
Oh.
Dali na.
That's a comfort now.
Dali na.
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Oy, Tre! Kami po ha.
Looks tricky.
Dapat mommy and daddy nakaupo. Oy, dapat mommy and daddy
2017.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Good job, bud.
It's too bright.
Okay.
Come closer. He doesn't bite. 1, 2, 3.
Cool.
All right, over here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. All right.
Take a picture. Tell them, Jim, do you make this the right way? But they want naturally Canadian kids. They're so cute, right? There we go. Ganda. Get the finger.
I'm cheating.
Maganda.
I'm trying to get it.
Are you? Is she?
Okay. Over here. 1, 2, and 3. One more.
I got 100 pictures.
1, 2, and 3.
I'll take the
All right.
Waki tayo.
Parang kayo.
No one knows. Except for me. Waki ka? Ready?
Si Tito. Best in Waki si Tito. Talo ka, tita. Ni Tito. Tingnan mo picture na.
Ulit tayo. One more.
Next.
Ay, kami na
Next na so we can eat ang mga friendship. Ang mga friendship na so we can
Just
si Erika pa rin mo.
Go. Sige na. I go first. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
All right. 1 more. Oh no. 1, 2, and 3. Cool.
Congrats daw ingon si Ante. Mama ni mo. We miss you daw ingon si Ante.
Nang dire mo skillet sila makakuha.
Ayun daw ang buko. Go.
Tayo ba?
Ready?
Ready, 1, 2, and... Thank you. Boom. One more. There you go, it fits. 1, 2, 3. Parang isama na yan.
Tre, si JC nag-send ka ng emoji nga naghilok ba?
Siya pala yun.
Siya.
Ano mo? 1, 2, 3. Cousin niyo or friend? Kapatid niya?
Kapatid niya.
No. Ang tapos.
The youngest brother.
You don't have pictures with
Sabi ni JB, hi daw, Weng.
No.
Weng, sabi ni JB, I see Weng. I see you, Weng.
Oh my God. Hi, JB.
I see Weng. Sabi ni Evelyn Tan Aragones, anak, you removed the thing that covered her
My
face.
cute little slippers.
Wish you love and happiness.
No, just wait. We'll change it into black.
Hoy!
Yeah.
Change the shoes! Oh my G! Change shoes.
Yes, please.
Ayaw ka ba naman?
Ako kukuha din sandali.
Ready, 1, 2, and... One. iPhone says move closer. Wait.
1, 2, 3. Ako muna eh. Just wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ready? Headphones on.
Okay, ilagay na natin siguro doon.
Kina-follow ko yun. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and...
Hoy, nasan yung champagne natin? Poop! Tagano. Ay, mamaya na lang. Dapat malamig.
Okay yun siguro. Pwede.
I'll put it outside na.
Nasa fridge yung campaign.
Alright, okay. Ready?
Labas? Let's go.
Full body, 1, 2, and... Side. Ready, 1, 2, and... One more. You men go for to your... No, not switch.
Si JB, nana ko'y karibal ni Tre. Ah!
Kaya pa yun na-feel?
Karon pa ni mo na feel, JB?
No. Here. There you go. And that's it. Ready. Move closer a little bit. 1, 2, and... Be sweeter, guys. Couples. Please, 1,
Ato
2,
kaya
and...
ni i-add si Kuan. Para
Both of you
makakomment
kiss
sila.
the couples. Ready, 1, 2, and... There you go.
We're not taking a picture together, we're just kissing.
Nalock na daw ka, Tre. Nalock. Ayan na! Kila ante! Dali lang. Nalock na daw ka, Tre. Nalock.
Congrats!
Ano na si Mama?
Congrats!
Hello, so.
Love you.
Love you, Ma.
Congrats!
Ano na si Mama?
Congrats!
Congrats daw. Asa Jess? Jess. Mas now.
Hello.
Nagilak si Auntie. Alas 3. O, di ba, bongga kami sa Gyapon. Nasa wedding. Sige lang, Ma. Diba pa Gyapon, Ma? Nagilak si Auntie. Sa basta si Pro. Ay, oh, mayroon silang kape, mayroon silang light. Ay, duha di ay magkasaba. Prepared sila. Mayroon silang kape, mayroon silang light. Ang daw? Ma, ang sa? Bilibidunggan? Sige, mamukhaan sa ni. Go around ng Tagapon. Kita doon sa ano. Para makikita. Ito namin sa aming
Alis guys, sila muna ang dalawa.
Si G, sa'yo.
Muna, gani.
Wait lang, Alex, wait.
A little bit, baby. Come in here.
Yung mga ano.
Wait lang ha, ako sa niiuan.
Picture of the hungry bride.
Starving bride. That's a wine. Oh.
Did you eat this morning?
Oh, I did. Did I?
I don't think so.
That was yesterday. Oh my god.
Oh, I love the cake. Margo, Alex, can you get out? Hoy, Alex, don't do that.
Alex, come here.
Si ano muna?
Harap muna
Alex
kayo.
ba? Come here. Alex. Kulit-kulit mo ha.
Tre, tingin ka na, Tre, kay Tita. Ayan, cute na. Okay.
Uy!
Pwede.
Even the cake is in
Tita, 1, 2, 3.
tears. Aww.
Tingin kay Tita, oh. I got that too. Pointing. Okay. Yung iba naman.
Do not leave without a treat. Oh.
Can you guys here?
Donut.
Just wait, Tre.
Get it?
Can you
Donut. Without
Gutom na si Alex, JB.
donut leave.
Siguro, at mag-slice na naman kayo para kasi siguro mag-slice na lang kayo.
Kuya JB said, Alex, eat all you want. Ha 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 ha. Alex can't wait to eat.
Diyan na ang cake or I put it down here?
Still live? Oo, still live. Mas maganda kung center of attraction siya. I don't know. What do you think, Trey?
Kasi dito sa picture, maganda dito or I put it here?
Ito lang siguro sa natin.
Sa middle, no? Para center of attraction. Huy, Alex ba? Don't touch anything yet.
Evelyn.
Yeah, I think there's to keep it in place. But let's not put it back.
Yeah, let's not put it back.
Ano na sa day na, Trey? Apin.
Or to keep the flower together. Diyan lang, no? Okay naman?
Mas maganda daw pag ano. O, easy. Baba na lang, Tre.
Oh my god, are we cutting meat here? Wala bang smaller?
Patong daw sa table, Tre.
It's too big.
Tingnan si JB looking good with your long hair.
Long hair?
Long hair?
Long hair?
Really?
Maybe long veil?
Ako good ni live si JB, be. Asan ni si JB?
That's what I was wondering. If they do here. Another one.
Ay, mag-slice na. Tapos mag-toast na lang sila.
Alex, can you get out? Alex.
Hi.
Alex. Nangawat og mani.
Mag-cut sila to para ano.
Here?
Yeah. Oo, si Saul dapat sa tabi mo. Yeah. Dalawa kayo naghawak.
Dalawa, ganyan.
Yeah, dalawa kayo naghawak.
Hello.
Say hi to Kuya JB.
Hello.
Hello, Alex. How are you?
I'm Kuya JB.
Looking good with your long hair.
Thank you. He's a not what are you? Not deaf.
Nah.
Okay, we're gonna see. We're gonna.
1, 2, slice. Slicing this.
Ah!
1, 2, and
It's
Had to crack that nut.
Yung mo, Tre, nalagyan na yung mga suwat-suwat.
I had to.
Nado mga suot-suot, Tre. Wait, Alex, get out
Even
na
the cake.
may champagne na.
Oh.
Champagne ba ito yung gagamitin?
Oo, pwede. Para pag-pop-pop ba? Para magkuhan siya, mag-pop.
It better not be a red velvet cake.
video yan.
Hindi, naka...
Uy, i-video mo din, be. So, can somebody take a video? Habang ka-slice? Oh, sige, go.
Mahal sa Tre.
Hawa, Alex. Alis ba? Alis ba? Kaya nag-take sila ng video.
Be, panira ka ng moment.
Ikaw ba?
Tre, Halloween lagi mong now.
Sila. Pwede, you can take that off. Tapos sila na mag-ano, chuban. Ikaw ba? Ha? Isa lang.
Yay! It's got my name.
Don't cut your name.
I
Don't write your name. My name? Want a picture of
Mamaya na ka na. Nagkuhan pa sila ng video.
Yay! Dang! Weng, ano to ba to? Oo, hard feeling.
Kailangan fondant kasi hard.
Allergic sa mga nuts.
No, hindi.
Oy, ang bigat ng cake ha.
Pound cake yan eh.
Private time, pinatayang. Kaya kumain ka ng cake bago yung ano. Hindi, kunin mo na yung isa ting. Isa lang slice.
Ay!
This one.
Getting a piece of cake, but looks like they cut the whole cake. Palitan kayo ng ano, palitan kayo ng the whole cake.
Wala ka na eh. Kapatid niya. Si JB, ano yung kapatid niya?
Si JB yung pinsan.
Anong sabi ni JB at
Hi, JB!
What's up, man? Anong
Isa na yung kauban, Weng. Huwag mong kagasaba.
Unsa di ay?
challenge? Smiling.
Kumusta?
Nakataon tayo?
As you need the saw or...
Kumusta ang abas ko siya?
Hi, JB.
Nakataon tayo? Or, hello, tita.
Hi, JB. We miss you.
Oh, you could use the other...
Puhon na, tita.
Nandito ka.
Trey is hungry.
Gwapa kay si Tita, no?
Inayos ako ng pagkabongga-bongga para hindi naman...
Oo, maganda.
Sama si Balo.
O yun. Okay lang. Wow.
Ay, wala ka dito.
Sino yan sa likod mo, tita? Hindi ko kilala.
Yan ang bago namin alalay sa bahay.
Bago? Bagong housemate? Model?
Kawawa kasi. Palaboy
Model.
namin sa kinuha ko. Kawawa. Inayos ko lang uli. Inayos ko lang ng konti para mamukhang tao.
Full picturean mo nga yung screen para may picture kayong apat. Sandali.
Next pa lang, sorry.
He said, can I try
JB.
Para panyari nandito rin si JB.
Alam niya.
Ako din sa akin. Sa akin.
Wait.
Pagwapo na JB, pagwapo. Picturean mo.
You can see it. Yeah.
Yan.
Ready? One, two,
Ready,
three.
Face kayo doon. Face kayo sa camera
Thank you.
dito.
Yung laway na laway.
Pwede yan. Giselle, ay
Tingin ka.
tingin ka dito. Yan. Okay, ready?
Yeah, perfect. Nice.
Yan.
Ah.
Tignan mo, ate.
Oh my God, ang galing.
JB!
Da.
Diba? Parang si JB. Hi, John!
Wait, Tre.
Picture! Picture, bidali lang. Picture! Saan
Tao lagi katanahon ron.
dali lang, biasa man ang... Ow! Ano ang screenshot anim?
Ha?
I-screenshot lang. Hindi ka balo. I-screenshot, uy!
Piniinom kita. Ako pala sa'yo.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Kamera, hindi pa pwede yan. O, ganyan, yan. Si ano?
Smile. Screenshot.
Smile, uy! Batig na. Itambok lagi ka, June. Baboy.
Manggod.
Ayan na. Silang dalawa.
Congrats.
Smile, JB.
Congrats, Tre.
Oh my God.
Ano naman sa all? Congrats.
Hindi nakita si Lucas dito. Outside Lucas.
Wala na ang make-up na bride.
Wag na may ano tayo, may makeup artist.
Langya ka, JB. Pinaya ko yung bride.
Love you, JB. Miss you.
Uy, picture mo nga yan, no? Kanyari sa ano. Ganun ka lang. Sa soul. And then, parang nandito ka lang. Bakit ba ako wala ka?
Yun. Congrats.
Sigurado ka na rin ba sa decision? Are you sure with your decision, Saul? Uy, yung ano, sa ulang mag-hold ng hindi yung...
John, ipahilak si Kunimo.
Congrats.
Ha? Tapos yung...
Congrats.
No, and then she...
Nga wala makadinihi.
Ay, yan, ipos! Kaya nihilang mo siya.
Hilak lagi.
Hala, nag-pause sige si JB, kaya naghilak na siya dito. Oh, ano ba? JB, ate, ano? Oh my God! Oh my God! Visit si ate. Ay, oh my God, it's crying time! Wala, ate, sakit pag iwalay sa family mo. Ano si Bonka? Visit si ate.
Ay, talaga nilulungan siya.
Asa na si Shop? Ito ako nalabas na tayo.
Ano yung iniyak mo? Ha?
Jenny, naman ako.
Ate! Ano na kayo na sa grupo ba? Asa na si Kiki? Uwan pa! Boss!
Wala mo ko. Ang ganda. Kaya akala ko ganda na lang. Ano mo yung friend mo? Ba't yung bahay ko gawin na kasi nagugutom ng ulan yun? Ate! Ate! Saan lang magano? Ano yung bahay mo? Para mapakita na yung bahay mo.
Alis muna kayo dyan. Oh.
Ang wine na, pre.
Dali na, oh, ano sa wine.
Sa akin. Yung kasi wait lang.
Wine na, wine na, wine na.
Ay, okay lang ta. Oy, okay lang, shopping, and then you can, mag-video ka na. Ito na yung mag-video. Be careful, babe. Minsan marisya. Wait lang, kaya I'll take a video while you're gonna pop it. Hindi marunong kumain.
Asa na?
Hoy, baboy! Lila ka sa...
Wine na, oy. Wine.
Relax ka.
3. Cheers.
Oh, nakalagay ako. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. 3. Wine. Cheers. 3.
But do not on the wall, but you just
James.
hear the pop, but do not let it cook kasi baka mabukas. John, saan yung ketchup?
Hindi naman siguro.
Ready?
Ready?
Dangerous ba to?
Sige, putok mo, man. Ready? Ready, 1, 2,
Okay na. Oh, congratulations. Ibigay mo na.
Atin mo ah!
Uy. Wag, dapat may para malasing na, agad-agad.
Kunti lang ah. Sakitin natin. Wait.
Hindi ganun nga. Tama ka. No, you drink your own one like that. Uy, ate na kamay.
Wait. 7 minutes.
Kaya mo talaga eh.
Mahaw na eh.
Oy, no na guys.
You ready? 1, wait. 1, 2, and smile. Ay, smile daw. Ipan mo muna mainit.
Asin ka lang ng asin.
Tequila ba ito?
Ay, sana nilano natin. Para may white sa gilid.
Show me what's real. There's more to life.
Ako'y wine. Okay na? Kain tayo? Lobat na. Lobat na. Lobat na.
Oh, ito na. Thank you.
Cheers!
Johnny, saan pag-screenshot ka ni? Nag-cheers ka.
Ready? Go.
Screenshot doon.
O sa pag-screenshot ako, nagpupot pang ko.
Nakuha ba?
Para mag-upisa na.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, may one din siya.
Every glass I saw. Si Alex, niya yung ipanata ng ano.
Ready? 1.
Isuga na dyan, uy.
Kasi sa kang kain, pinadalit ng manikanan pa.
Picture daw sa mama, oh.
Ha?
Picture ni mo, oh.
Oh, na sila mama nag-live sad.
Please change video for a while. Want to take pictures, right? Kain na tayo.
Mga una may oy, gutom na.
Ha?
Patong sa table, amaw ka. Ay, lagi yun. Ayun, so man eh. Saan pa kita sa mga messages?
Sige. Holiday in.
Okay na. Huwag na kumakita sa messages.
Mama, oh, mutawa.
Mama sa kuya.
Hindi. Mama, mag-video daw ni mo, picture together. Ipaong sa ako, ah.
Sige, itawag daw sila mama. Asawan, yung kabalo mo siya.
I-add as guest. Ina si Ate Faye.
Parang picture sila mama. Asawan na.
Dali lang.
Ipaong sa ako, ah.
Bye.
Mama.
Sige. Thank you, John.
Yeah, kailangan makakawaon si Jun. Ito si Ante. Yan. Dapat number 1 sila, Ante.
Okay, thank you.
Are you hungry? Hey, screenshot mo.
Okay, thank you. We'll take pictures. Wala ko. Dapat. Ayaw pala. Ayaw ba ang view? Just me.
Can you, move your head?
One more.
Tignan mo. Tignan mo. There.
Okay. Yeah.
Yan. Sige, ready?
Oh, getting dark.
Smile. Smile.
Hello.
One, two, three, go.
I-open na din ang isa para.
Makuha mo.
Congrats.
Ha?
Kuha mo phone. Yan. Okay. Kamu doon, Nante. Sige. Closer pa. Hindi makita. Yan. One, two, three, go. Anak. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go.
Kaya na?
Nag-video sa mi ba? Record na mo.
Ha?
Na ako yung mga video, record na
Sariling
ako.
sikap. Wala ko lang, baby. Sariling sikap. Kanya-kanya. Wala ka na Sariling sikap ni Alex. Nawawa naman.
No?
This cake is you want pizza? There you go, Alex. I read this pizza. Oh! It's okay. No worries. Wow, grabe ang champagne, ah. Ni-check ang champagne.
Wala mang kay kaon.
No?
Oh my gosh. Kaon.
Yeah.
Kaon ka talaga.
Tara. Hello.
You take the champagne. Agad-agad? Dapat pala, I only drink a little bit. Siguro ako rin.
Bago you want to share your thing,
Thank you.
Uy, one cake na.
Nag-vlog kami sa balay 11:45. Nabot may sa cake staff 12:30. Ah, with ready. Wait, tawagan din mo, mom.
Yeah. Wala niya
We have to, ano. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Ang puso na lumbay ng kay tiga. Josh, what do you want? Have a kitchen mahal. Babe, nagdrama-drama tadi in front of the camera. Buto kaya ito sa side.
Ano na lang isa para matapos yung box.
Mama doesn't know how.
Yeah, go, go, go. Picture na kami niya, no? Baby girl. What are you playing? Oh, again, this game again.
Yun lang.
Okay, then.
She has her own one.
Ay, I forgot to have my napkins.
Where's the tray go? What's this tray? Baka doon. Hi, Ma. Video, loko.
Congratulations,
Thanks.
Congratulations, Pian.
Thank you. That's my mom.
Hello.
Sila.
Hi. Salamat kayo.
Nawala.
Nakita na.
Imo, dahil mo, pero hindi na ako. Diyan siya din na.
Hapon, imo, ipat.
Sa ilalim? Kasi sa banyo? Check sa ilalim. Or nag-CR. Tre?
Yes, imo. Patindo.
At nandito si ate mo yan, oh.
Lahi. Lahi. Dara, Mi.
Yes, delayed ang kuan, ang audio delayed.
Delete kayo. Gagwapa ni Trey. Hello.
Oy!
Kita ra?
Luto ko og puto.
Hello.
Hi.
Salamat kayo. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
Hair long now.
Delayed ang kuan, delayed ang audio.
Congratulations, anak. Congratulations, Trey. Congratulations.
Wala lagi si Papa.
Kita akong ilong na siga. Dapat yan. Padungo. Ha? Kita na si Papa nagluto. Pa!
Oy!
Oh, there.
Luto ko puto.
Smile, Papa, smile.
Nagahe akong puto. Wala ba itsura puto?
Napalpak.
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 Smile. Hi, Helen.
Helen. Ha? Nakita ko na. Wait, Papa.
Where's Papa?
Wala na din. Balik sa.
Mao di ay.
Because Mama's phone is here, Papa's phone is right next to her.
Mao di ay.
Same thing.
Mao di ay. Layo. Amo di wala magana. Ha?
You look like your dad, Mosul.
Hindi ako magawa. Hindi na ako tama.
Where's Papa?
Where's Papa?
We can take a
Papa's
picture.
Papa's
Wala na lang.
Yeah.
With Helen.
Nagluto ang siya. Dito. Nagluto siya
Papa's
dito.
cooking puto.
Napalpak.
Puto.
You have to. Further.
Asa man ito magawasan?
No, for us.
That message is Mama. That's going to be a comment.
Oh, dili tangtang.
I was trying to text and FaceTime audio Trey because we're getting upset the camera na hagbong. And I said, oh, Trey.
We're gonna go eat now.
Okay, sige. Congratulations, anak. Trey.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay. Pangaon na mo. Ang gutom naman yan. Okay. Enjoy.
Mama, chop.
Love you, Mama.
Oh, there, Papa. Hi, Papa.
Balik sa pa. Ready?
Hello.
Ay, Mama, puto.
Farther, Ma.
Ma.
Guwapo nga. Guwapo. Ngayon kayo. Guwapo. Ngayon kayo. Kita na ko din suon. Guwapo. Guwapo mo pa. Guwapo kayo. O, sige, pangaon na mo, anak. Okay.
Thank you, everybody.
Pangaon mo. Yeah. We watch everything. Yeah. Okay, enjoy. Pangaon na mo. Pangaon na mo kayo. So, magpalong anig eh.
Hindi ko, Mama. Papa ko.
Ano lang? Di lang. Walang palungo na natin.
Ang camera. So, the live sila. Palong.
Napalong.
Yeah.
Oh. Sila rin yung palong anak.
Yeah. So you can leave.
Ayaw ang alin?
Kasi mas maraming Tagalog speaking sa Bisaya.
Ate, kailangan natakot ako sa gusto yung brownie. Uy, ate, tulog ka pala? No, we're speaking Spanish. Akala ko Chinese. Asawa ka na? Asawa? Hindi ko pinapansin. Iyawan. Nilokal ka? Buti na hindi na sila ko.
Ilocano.
Taga saan?
Provincial La Union.
Ah.
Pero taga Caloocan kami.
Ah.
Ano yan?
11.
11? Doon bakit hindi mo sinabi? 11 to 12. Gusto mo nila. Akala ko talaga kanina Chinese. Hindi na siya bahala ka na sa buhay. Ano, hindi ko pa paano Tagalog to? Lingkod din. Hindi nga kalingkod. For 8 years na. Yeah, hasn't sat down.
Ikaw gumawa ng salad.
Kaso lang,
Ay, salad.
na-frozen. Kaya yung macaroni hindi na naganda. Dahil na-frozen na defrost, diba?
Oh.
Ginawa natin sa labas. So nag-negative 22 ng time ng ABC na nakapalimutan na. Kaya yung mga drinks, ako na yung pinold out ulit kasi nakita na lang nagkabilog-bilogan na. Oh my God.
Uminom na ba to? Uminom na rin siya sa'yo. Malapit na doon? Malapit na pero sa'yo. Kalapit. Sinabi niya sa'yo. Ano? Sabi niya sinabi eh. Kumaalala lahat. Patay nga naman. Oo. Mga sa kanya. Mga ng gabi. Josh, is Alex eating? Margo. Do you want a brownie? Saan ka pinili? Simple lang. Sa tawag ko lang po. Do you want a donut? Gusto mo ano? Margo. Kumain ako sa'yo. A donut. They have a donut.
Tama lang before we get to Skyland. Para medyo ano. You and I. Donut na?
Wala ka pa dun. English kasi hindi pantay. Itay mo lang konti. Kasi parang wala nga ako. Bewang ko gusto pagkain. Okay na? Okay na yan?
Wala kayong dance, ano?
Meron kita.
Ay, sige, B!
Dapat mag-start na ta.
Mag-start na ta. Kayo sa na oras.
Basta may lang ako. Hindi mo question sa inyo para hindi masyado malamig. Para maka-rest tayo lang before tayo makain. Kasi 3 to 4. Pwede na mag-start kayo. Doon na tayo sa ano.
Go back to
You can use my charger.
Ate, bunot-bunot na lang kayo sa audio dito ha.
Sige. Lagay ko yung charger doon. Ay, saan yung phone ko? Floaties! Dali ka work? Dali ka work? Work, tapos yun yung ano, tagal yung boss.
Ate, kanina. Ano yan? Bisay na.
Lewin and Teresa. Kain ka na, kumain ka na? Kumain na. Mag-start sana tayo ng ano.
Ano na yan? Lasing na.
Uy, mag-ano na tayo, mag-program na ito. Sige.
Last year. Kami dalawa magbigay ng cruise.
Saan ka lalagay ito para ano, may makita?
Galing, huwag ka magtatanong sa akin kasi galing sa married ano. Ay, dapat mag-give siya ng advice. Married. Six, seven, eight, nine. He still remember, that's good. He still remember, that's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, si Dre, nag-message. Oh, Dre, pangit. Si Dre. Salamat po. Nagpa-party din for you.
I'm looking for rice.
Where?
Nagpa-party din siya for you. Sasabihin yung pag ano. First sabihin yung meron kasi ako.
I was watching it. He had so many, babe. I wish I would have known. Could have brought them. Remember?
Well, it didn't.
I left them there.
Meron kami dyan, Mike. Wala isang, dalawang box.
Really?
Yeah. You want it? You want to break? Mag-break. Ay, ito yung box mo.
Ayaw.
Sa'yo yan.
Narinig ba siya, tita? Marami nga sa'yo.
Oo, kaya ako naman dito. Sabi ko na dito, sabi ko sa hindi sila na kahit siya. Kahit si ano din. She's nice. We're thinking like makakako mama ako yung
No, wala akong ano siya.
Easy going.
Yeah.
Oh, you're nice because you're not like this.
Like some.
No, she's Chinese.
Chinese.
She thought you're Chinese too.
You're the same, you know? See? That's why, like, when you came in, kasi sinabi nila, my friend, yes, all the people I like.
I didn't get your name though. Teresa.
See the name? It looks like a Chinese, eh? Teresa. Teresa is like more on Spanish. See?
But she's more like Korean.
Right?
Tita!
Kainin na natin bulag, sinong kakain.
All of rice.
Yes, I got lucky.
You don't have problem when you bring her to the Philippines.
No, I won't have any problems.
Every Tyson first met him. He's nice too. Like you know to feel like the positive vibe.
Oh, that's so lovely.
You know how you feel like when you like them. She said, oh. But,
You're welcome to the family already. We're coming here to visit more often.
yeah, you're welcome anytime, guys. We like somebody always in the house. Sweet little girl. Natutulang na, napaganda ang rice. Oh my God.
She's still thinking about the rice.
Yeah, still.
And you are? No, I don't mean it that way. I mean, are you the cousin, like family?
No, friend.
Face friend.
Yeah.
So how did you meet?
Common friends. Wayne. You know Wayne, right?
I don't know when, but now I know when.
Yeah. When Wayne, the other guys. Yeah. They're all friends. They met first during the orientation in Niagara College. And then Wayne and I are classmates. And then Trey and I worked together in one of our part-times when we were students.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
And then, yeah, common friends and all this stuff. And then even in Toronto, we get together and we go out at time messages.
Thank goodness you didn't talk behind it like that. We know each other.
Yeah.
Hello, handsome girl. Are you excited for tonight? He was like, like their husband and wife. He's here to sign your life away with it.
I know.
Yeah, would you eat? Yeah.
We ate. Oh, look. Saving some room for our Skywalk dinner.
Oh, is it?
Just like
Is it dinner?
I'll show you the menu.
Oh, okay.
Cool. All right. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
So
They had us pre-ordered, so we ordered chef salad. Oh, just like Here we go. So we ordered soup of the day, chef salad, grilled New York sirloin steak, chocolate mousse, and ice cream. Alright. Have separate soups and salad and mousse and ice cream.
yes. We're going strong. That's how we try to hold the doors closed. Yeah. You walk in so cold, we're like, oh, I don't want to go in, I was closed. Like, oh. So what's the plan? No. I don't mean that plan. I mean the plan of you and Trey. I don't, yeah. What is your plan after this wedding?
Oh, not yet.
What is your plan?
Check out this one. Go to this one. What's the number? Because we're talking about names. It's like, what? Because we're going to for later. Right now.
Like, no, Pierre was so ready. Like, when you get to stay, like, I don't know, you get to stay together, you can travel together, like,
Ay, maganda kahagit ka na
okay lang, hindi
After, so are you guys moving here?
Right away?
In California.
No? Pero dito na siya lumaki. It's okay. If you don't want it, remember. Pero naman tignan ko. Steady. Tres. Tres, napakagay ka, Ure. I said only one paper, is that okay?
Kinain ko na ang lipstick.
Wala.
I need the lipstick.
Dali mo to mamaya.
Tita! Yeah, if you pull there, then when it just fly up.
Dali lang din namin ito.
You're supposed to be pull there, but you just want more. Also, you think the train and give it
Isa pa lang. Ilang part tayo? 3, di ba?
May question lang sinabi.
Sino?
Pwede sumakay siguro.
Ang dami isa lang kukunin ko kung pwede magsumakay ang si Eric. Sa inyo si Eric.
Antay sa kanila, kasi nung sasakyan yung dito. Kailangan yun. Sa friend niya sa ulo. O pwede yung
makasabay doon.
Tapos isang
makasabay doon. Kaya isa lang kukunin ko. Ay, tanong natin siya.
Tatlo lang naman, apat ang madalan po yung after Taiwan.
Yeah.
Tatlo madalan po yan. Apat na naman sa pico yun naman ang south.
Thank you. So, dalawa siguro kayo sa kanila. Kami na lang ni Papa ni mo kay Pico mo. Kami na lang kay Kim. Okay? Si... Yeah.
Ano yun pa na?
Isa lang.
Okay natin. Isa lang magkasa sa sakal.
Tinapon na namin yung travel.
Ay, sakto mo dapat.
Nag-park kami sa garage kasi wala nang parking.
From LA. I don't know if it's from LA or something.
Oh yeah, there's a train now.
Yeah,
Yeah, along the shoreline. They drive out.
along
Everything in the
Masarap po.
Kasi because this one and that one is just big guys.
Let's just eat lovers.
Gusto kong pila naman yun. Nung mag-open, nung mag-open, sabi naman ko, so,
anak kasi sa bukod yun ako nung particular sa kanya sa kanila hindi na coffee lang mak hindi donuts no kasi nagtatrabaho sa Pimuto dala-dala hindi wala cookies no cheesecake oh okay na wala hindi ko mabibili oo pero ay naku naman ang time o yun na oh mag-bake cool lang it takes 6 hours para makatrabaho ka ng cheesecake pero magtatry talaga ako this month kasawa ko alam ko naman ang gusto niya yung isa doon pa dapat sa Antipasto
Ano na dito, mas Skyline na ano ito. Yung ba dito yung style na?
Asan yun si ate mo?
Your daddy didn't know it. Oh my God.
Sige na, dance na. Ate.
Bawal mag-dance na. Wala. Oh, nag-dance yan, no? Prepara na kayo dyan ng time.
Buti na lang, rocky din mo na no?
Kunin na siguro natin yan.
Uy, kanina yung pagsulat mo. Something.
Kunin na natin.
Ayaw na text na lang, text.
Text na namin, Teng.
Ikaw lang magsulat na. Ayaw, adik ka. Sige, ako. Wala mo, Ken? Wala, kasi mukhang...
Pasa-pasa na lang.
Mag-ipi na po kayo.
Hindi, random.
Magsaot ka mo.
Kaya nung ka-just sa'yo din.
Oh, para sa ano nyo yan, sa game. Question and answer.
Every week, girl, textan kita ng message.
There's a message. Hindi mo mag-house. Oh, mag-house. Ako mag-discuss. Or dare to read on down my feet. Later, relax.
Pwede mamaya na.
Oh, it's okay. I already took a note.
Hey, Marco!
Ito yung pen.
Great daw ng message.
Message.
Ay, where's mo?
Mag-write mo yung message for you. Memorize more na when I was trying to hear. You can look at your...
Oh, no.
Yun, each your share. Magkuha na.
Share.
Mag-dance ka mo. After me, ha? After. Play ka na ng correct anong music. You're right. No, you're right.
Oh, the coconut maybe.
I don't have a pen. Ako lang ang ready. Move on there.
Wait na. You're right.
May ano? Ay, isang akong suggestion.
Yeah, but she okay.
Not like you, babe. One glass, she's red as this dress.
Really? That fast?
It turns
Oh yeah, she doesn't really drink.
She can't drink.
I'm gonna ask her.
It's good. Still, it's hot.
You just have to do it every day, so you get used to it.
Or depends. One bottle a day.
He's like, no, it's expensive. Maybe once a week then.
She has one glass a day, then I'll finish the rest of the bottle.
Pwede rin ano. Kahit maputi na.
Why do we
Ano
have
ikaw
to?
yung libo? Or this one?
When
Alam mo, when may titay tayo ng cola.
ay, wala.
Wala kayo ano ba?
See, Eric, Eric, we just go to the party then.
Ipan na natin.
Wala akong ano, wait lang.
Dapat sa matulog niya. Wala ba sa ano? Wala mo sa ano yan. Baka naka-connect kasi tapos ito. Baka nakasilent.
May call.
Yan meron ka. Ano ka alin? Marriage plan.
Earlier,
Ay, kaya nyo ito, pero meron na pala siya. Pick.
Ay, balagtat mo ba yun?
Pick ka. Hindi, di ba? Okay ka na?
Ha? Password ng block ko.
Ha?
Password ng wifi.
Kasi gusto na lang para just in case kayo namin. Oops.
Sa snowman.
Sorry. You guys are so.
So good?
Like on top of watching it.
Kind of system, man. Hold the phone.
And then daddy doesn't have a lot of
Kilig much.
No, I charge your iPad already. And you just play with your... Baka naka-off siya.
Hindi, di ba yung patay mo nila, di ba? Sa Bluetooth.
Naka-ano na siya, naka-color na.
Kasi kunya lang ang isa ko.
Sige, turning ka mo. Yan. Pwede na. Tapos punta ka na sa ano, sa... Baka hindi pa na-play.
Like a bulb.
Oh.
Lapit talaga.
Si ano, si Eric, alam niya yun.
Ano yung mga card niya?
Hindi, sulat ka dati sa mga shoes ko.
With English?
Anyway, kita ko niya sila ako.
Hindi ako makunik ako. Huh? In the kitchen. Don't take out Margot's side. Margot's iPad is fun. Deb!
Isa lang ta. Mabot ako ng English. Dua mo lang pala dito sa ako.
Ako na ito.
Amo na ang isa patay mo sa sulawin patay.
When you had your vows, who was the first one to go? Huh? The groom or the bride?
Doesn't matter. Patay niya ang luto. Patay niya, patay niya yung bilugan cellphone. Hindi ka mo lang ako cellphone.
But it doesn't matter. But it doesn't matter. Yeah. They said it's your choice. Think of it.
Kamang patabala ka sa cellphone. Ano ba nabigyan ng story mo?
Maybe you go first. Because I feel like you'll cry, so then you won't be able to say your vow.
No, I'm not crying anymore.
No, but the thing is, he may say something that will make you cry, right? That's the thing.
Oh, you lost.
3 tries. I lost, so you're going first.
Yes.
So, we just...
Oh, what game is that?
No, no.
PVZ2?
How come you jump on top of her?
Too bright.
It's on a chair.
I'm gonna stop.
Gonna sit on you. Ready, Alex? You're so funny.
Oh,
Where's your
you have a
Switch?
new
He has a
phone.
Switch.
I didn't get this guy, but
Oh my god, you like him. He likes to play games.
It's
Oh, he's playing Anniversary Zombie.
Zombie.
Yeah.
Yes, I know how to play it.
this is Plants vs. Zombies
Second version, yeah.
2. The old one.
Oh.
You didn't like it? You like the new one with all those little
Or you
things?
wanna log in, then you set
The different skills?
How come this reads like
Yeah.
Face blow.
I-save na lang ngayon.
Stop na.
I-stop then i-save. Di
Oh,
ba lang?
and then...
Pwede siya ma-save, di ba?
Indians destroyed an entire lane of zombies.
and do you know what? Do you know what this guy does? So when you place him on